Hi, this is Sarah. I hope you people are doing great. In this video, I would like to tell you about the latest innovation in the world, so please welcome to our tech channel. In this video, we'll demonstrate.
If you have come across this video, you are facing the frustrating problem of a blocked WhatsApp account. Don't worry, you are not alone in facing this problem. Before we move on to the essential steps to unblock your account, let's take a minute to understand why your WhatsApp account might have been blocked in the first place. By finding out the reasons for the block, you will be better prepared to tackle the problem head-on and regain access to your favorite messaging platform. So let's start the journey to unblock your WhatsApp account. 1. Sending mass messages to people who are not listed as a contact. To preserve the user experience, WhatsApp is committed to blocking spam messages to prevent users from being harassed by unknown messages. If you send too many messages to strangers, WhatsApp officials will first remind the recipient to report the message and block the sender. If the situation continues to not improve, your WhatsApp account may be officially blocked. 2. Reported and blocked by multiple users. It is common to be blocked by other contacts on WhatsApp, and you must have tried to add someone to the blocked contacts list. However, if multiple users block your WhatsApp account, it can raise official suspicions at any time, resulting in your phone number being banned from using WhatsApp. 3. Send suspicious files or viruses. WhatsApp strictly prohibits users from sending malware or viruses. When a user sends a file, WhatsApp officials automatically check to determine if it is suspicious. If the file is suspicious, the system may block the sender's WhatsApp account to increase the safety of the community. 4. Join multiple groups in a short time. Joining WhatsApp groups may seem normal, but joining multiple groups quickly can make WhatsApp think you are a bot, thus blocking your WhatsApp account. 5. Impersonate another user or use a fake account. WhatsApp does not allow users to create accounts using other people's information. If your account is reported for impersonation, for example impersonating a celebrity or political figure, WhatsApp may decide to block the affected account for security reasons. 6. Using a cracked version of the WhatsApp app. Many Android users download modified versions of WhatsApp, such as WhatsApp Plus or GB WhatsApp, although these cracked versions of WhatsApp have more advanced features, including but not limited to downloading images in the original resolution, sending large files, and changing the appearance and color of dialog boxes. However, these modified versions have yet to be officially approved by WhatsApp. In other words, once a user is detected with a third-party add-on program, there is a possibility that WhatsApp will be blocked. 7. Obtaining personal data from others without their consent. WhatsApp attaches great importance to the confidentiality and security of each user's information. Therefore, regardless of your intention, as long as WhatsApp finds out that you have extracted specific or important information from WhatsApp, such as contact phone numbers, avatars, updates, etc., your account will always have the possibility of being blocked. 8. Violation of WhatsApp terms of service. In addition to sending spam, illegal, threatening, hateful, discriminatory and other messages, users who violate WhatsApp terms of service also have their WhatsApp account suspended. For this reason, it is recommended that you read the terms and conditions of WhatsApp carefully before using WhatsApp to ensure that you do not violate them.
If you found the video useful, please remember to like it and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.